The idea for the dots started with actually something not design related. I wanted to make a mobile. While I was sketching, I saw something else in the sketches, so I never made a mobile, I made the dots instead. It's composed of two pieces of wood that are glued together, and afterwards they are put in a lathe and shaped into the final product. The product is shaped in such a way that it is minimum material waste. My favorite thing about the dots is that they're very versatile. You can use them anywhere around the house. You can use them in a hall, in the kitchen, in a dining room, even in a bathroom. They have this balance between function and form. So when you're not using them for anything, they're really decorative as well. And the dots is a geometric product. When you look at the basic shapes that it's composed of, it's a round circle and it's a cylinder here, and then just everything is a smooth transition of the two. That's the basic idea of the product. Circles arranged in different sizes and different patterns. So it's basically as little as possible, but enough to make it iconic.